Well, I'm currently sitting in a parking lot in Petoskey of this huge shopping center with all these stores in it. And I'm gonna make myself some lunch because I'm really hungry. So this morning after I left the sneaky, stealthy parking spot, I went to McDonald's, got a coffee, did the old teeth brushing thing and all that in the van, and got myself together. And I like to get out of there early because I don't want to ever draw attention to myself. So I sneak in after night, and I just leave kind of early. This time I left after daybreak, but it was okay. Anyhow, went to get my coffee, took care of business, and went to Magna State Park and did a little bit of rock hunting and hung out there and had my coffee and enjoyed the waves and the beautiful scenery. And a rainbow came out. It was so beautiful because it was started to rain a little bit. I thought, oh, I'll hang out here a little bit longer, and I was starting to get a little bit too wet for my liking, so I made my way back to the van and just sat in there for a little bit. And then I decided, well, I'm gonna go to Walmart and go to the bathroom, which I did. And now it's about lunchtime, so I am hanging out here in this Walmart. Since I'm at Walmart and not at my camping place, I can't really utilize the kitchen off the back there, so I'm having tuna. And because of this, I bought tuna in these little pouches. I don't even have a bowl to work with right now. They're in the kitchen box back there. So I'm gonna mix everything on a plate here, and that's gonna be that. So I've got an onion, I've got some lettuce here, and I've got my wraps and my tuna, and I'm gonna cut up some grapes. It's gonna be so good. Well, as you can see, eating healthy on the road is a very doable thing. It is. Yeah, I mean, it's a conscious decision for us to make for ourselves individually how we want to feed our bodies. And for me, it's not processed foods. It's not fast foods. I really just feel so much better when I eat healthier foods and make them myself. So, done. Beautiful. So I've got my peppers, I've got my tuna wrap here, and this wrap is a low-carb wrap. It's, what brand is it? I can't think of the brand, but it's only got 4 net carbs, so that's great. And I'm excited to eat it because I'm so hungry and it looks so good. You know, I was thinking about something. I'm sitting here talking to you and my refrigerator is open. The fridge is open, and that's what I love about not having to worry about ice. Because if I had ice, I'd be always opening, closing, making sure I keep all the cool in the cooler. But I really don't have to do that, so it makes it so much better. Not that I drive around with my refrigerator door open, but when I'm getting things out, I don't have to kind of have that, oh my goodness, I have to close it real quick to keep the cold in. But yeah, so I love my refrigerator. It's working out great, and my Jackery is powering it wonderfully, so for that I am thankful. So I'm gonna have a bite to eat. I'll be back later, and I'll catch up with you then. All right, bon appetit.